guys, welcome back. It's another beautiful day down here in southern Illinois. Today I'm going back to Project 291. We got the Bobcat excavator and the heavy duty brush cutter. So since we've cleared all these roads, they started all growing over again. Because when you add sunlight, everything wants to lean into it. So join me for some fresh air. We'll get in the Bobcat. I'm hiking back right now, by the way. We'll get in the excavator, have some fun, and make something happen today. Thanks. Alright, my first mini mission. Just going to make a little clearing here for a parking spot up by the front. I may mow the entire cabin site with this, although I might bring my tractor back or Phil's for bush hogging. So obviously this is a lot slower than real bush hog. Push this out of the way here. Alright, I'll check back in as I move along today. The Surveyor is here again, which is really good news. We're really anxious about the survey. We are hoping it's going to come out in our favor at big. I mean, the deed says 241 acres, but everything else so far around here has laid out big. And obviously, when you're selling and buying by the acre, it makes a huge difference. Although he did tell Curtis that it's looking like it's going to be big. But we don't have the specifics yet. It sure would be nice if it was at least 10 acres big, if not more. Alright, let's keep rolling. Once you get the hang of it. So the goal on a project like this is just to clear some of the overhangs so that we can come in with a tractor and bush hog it. and you know, with a tractor to plant more and stuff for the future owners. Didn't want to hit that one, but so I'm basically just prepping it for bush hogging, so it ain't, you know, it ain't fancy subdivision kind of stuff. It's just to get it cleaned up for machines to get through here. That's it. But it will look nice when we bush hog the edges, because there's, you know, 1 to 2 foot of weeds on the edges and grass. All right, so here's a before look. This stretch ain't really that bad. And here's the after look. Looks a lot nicer. You can get about any size tractor out here now. Alright, I got a Surveyor pink flag here. I'm not going to cut that branch because it's one of their markers of a trail to go to another monument or whatever, but I just talked to the Surveyor. Oh, he's got another one up there. And he's got the 160 chunk about done. And it looks like it's going to be at least 164. Maybe a little bit more. So that's good news. So that'll counteract a little bit if the last part is like 47-ish acres. If that's small by chance, and even if that's equal, we're ahead 4 acres, and I believe on the front we'll be ahead at least an acre or two, because all them 80s up there were big also up by the front. So fingers crossed, might get a little bonus on this one. I mean, 4 acres will pay for the survey, and maybe we'll get a little change left in our pocket from it.